excited to a Memorial Day picnic. Happy Memorial Day. Now, I'm going to show you how to make the best potato salad in the world. What you're going to need to do is boil 7 large or medium-sized red potatoes. Now, you can cut this recipe in half. Again, this is for a party, so this is a rather large order of potato salad. This is going to be the potato salad you wish you knew how to make that only your grandmother could. And we're leaving the skin on for texture and extra flavor. So you're going to need the red potatoes boiled soft, almost a little mushy so you can get a little creaminess to the potato salad. You're going to need 5 eggs boiled, chopped finely. What I like to do also is leave out 2 eggs for garnishing. We like to slice them and put them on top and make them look pretty. You're going to need 2 stalks of celery. Again, cut this recipe in half if you're only making this for maybe 3 to 4 people. You're going to need a quarter of a red bell pepper, a quarter of a green bell pepper, and a quarter of a yellow onion chopped finely. You don't want to bite into large pieces of veggies for your creamy potato salad. You're also going to need some sweet classic or whatever brand you choose relish. I'm going to be using for this size about 4 to 5 tablespoons. You're also going to need some mustard. We're going to do about, this is a pretty large tub, so we're going to do almost a half cup of mustard and a cup and a half of mayonnaise. We're going to be sprinkling and garnishing this off with paprika. Inside we're going to be adding, I want to say, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And again, if you want to add a little bit more for more kick, you can do that. Also, we are going to stir all of these ingredients together. In the end, we're going to garnish and add a little bit of pepper along with that paprika. Okay guys, let me go ahead and dump all of these ingredients inside my bowl and get to mixing. Added all of the condiments and the seasoning. It ended up only being about a quarter cup of mustard, unless you like that mustard that's really twangy. I do not. So about a quarter cup of mustard. Again, you're going to cut everything in half if you're making a smaller size recipe for serving size. Okay, now if you want to add a dash of paprika to this, you can. Our secret ingredient is sugar. To this, we are going to add a quarter cup of sugar. So I'm going to be sprinkling this in. We're going to mix all of this together. We're going to add our relish, and then we'll be right back. I believe I told you to add, I believe, a quarter cup of relish. If I didn't, that's what we're adding, a quarter cup of relish. All right, guys, hang tight. We're going to get this stirred up, and we're going to serve you.